Welcome back. Goa may host the National Football Championship for the Santosh Trophy later this year. If yes, then Goa would host it fourth time, last being hosted in 1996. The All India Football Federation has received bids from Goa, Bengal and Haryana. The decision is expected soon.
Goa has emerged as an overwhelming favourite to host the National Football Championship for the Santosh Trophy later this year. The All India Football Federation has received bids from Goa, Bengal and Haryana to host the National Championship, but with Bengal and Haryana hosting it once each in the last 6 years, Goa seems to be the best choice available to the federation. AIFF official says, and I quote, "We have started the process of inspecting the venues. A final decision is expected to be taken soon. If you ask me personally, Goa's chances are good, but everything will depend on the AIFF Executive Committee. If Goa does not hesitate, I don't see any reason why the tournament should not be allotted to Goa." Unquote. The AIFF plans to host the tournament between December 2013 and January 2014. Goa has hosted the Santosh Trophy 3 times in the past, with the last being in 1996. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Gymnastics is struggling to get a strong hold in India. Lack of proper infrastructure is the root cause of gymnastics' misery. Nevertheless, the national gymnasts are giving their best and making a slow progress. International level judge in aerobic gymnastics Makarand Joshi believes future will be brighter if they get more support.
In Goa as the expert for the 3-day national judges course in aerobic gymnastics, Dr. Makarand Joshi revealed the reason for slow progress of Indian gymnasts.
All Indians youth, they want to play cricket only, because you know that they are having a good plan given by the BCCI. I am not blaming to the BCCI. It is we are lacking that we are not approaching towards the some financial companies. They are giving the assistance to our gymnast or to the federation. So what is the biggest problem is we don't have such international and the ultra modern facilities over India. Still we are doing this, we are improving this discipline since 2004, but we don't we don't get the international level podium, that is the floor area, which we don't have in India now, but we are trying. But still, I don't know when we will get it, because infrastructure is the biggest problem. Because we have a very potential gymnast, actually, from services from Maharashtra, from Chandigarh, from West Bengal, from Gujarat. There are a lot of talented gymnasts. They are upcoming. They are doing very hard training in their states, but unfortunately we are not supporting by the government and not given the good financial backup by the sponsorer. So,
though the course is for national judges, some of the national coaches were also in attendance.
जिस तरह से एज ए कोच मैं सर्विसेज में काम कर रहा हूँ, कोचिंग का एक फील्ड अलग होता है जिसमें हम प्रैक्टिकली फिजिकली सामने रह के प्लेयर के साथ काम करते हैं, और एक जजिंग जो होता है, ये जो वो जज होते हैं जिन्होंने उसके ऊपर हमें स्कोर देना होता है. तो साथ साथ मुझे एज ए कोच होने के साथ साथ जजिंग के नॉलेज भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो जिसके लिए यहाँ पे मकरंद सर जो एक्सपर्ट आए हैं, तो उनके गाइडलाइन में हम लोग ये कोर्स अटेंड कर रहे हैं, और ये इट इज़ वेरी यूज़फुल हम सब के लिए जो भी यहाँ पर आए हैं पार्टिसिपेशन. तो शायद इसके बाद जाने के बाद जो मुझे गाइडलाइन मिलेगी, उसके आधार पर मैं और अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस अपने प्लेयर्स के लिए ला सकता हूँ.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Purvari.
The Goa Cricket Association has recently hired outsider underqualified cricket coaches. Association is paying them hefty remuneration. Goa has qualified and experienced coaches. To add to this mess, the GCA has imported 3 under-19 players from outer states. The local coaches have taken strong objection to this move. They have raised a fear that if things are not put in place, the Goan cricket will lose a great deal of talent. Watch this report.
Goa has been continuously doing well in cricket all these years. However, there are too many scars than beauty spot in this sport. The GCA has recently hired coaches from other states even after having ample of level 1, 2 and few level 3 cricket coaches, resulting in lot of unrest and discontent in the whole fraternity. Goa has coaches who have passed the BCCI's NCA certification courses at different levels. Some amongst these are Vinod Dhamaskar, level 3 coach who has already been a Ranji coach 4-5 years back. Colin Rodriguez, level 2 coach. Vivek Kolamkar, level 2 coach who has also already been a Ranji coach a year back. Sarvesh Naik, level 1 coach. Chandrakant Chede, NIS coach. And Class A women coaches too, like Anuradha Redkar, Santoshi Rane, Frida Pereira. However, it is a sorry state to see qualified staffer coaches of GCA at dock. More shocking is the NIS coach Chandrakant Chede, who has been made to train a women team even after being a great resource for budding men cricketers. Sources as well as the list of coaches in the National Cricket Academy portal reveals that Sonu Sharma from Haryana, who has been appointed as a coach for Goa under-19 team, is not even a level 1 certified coach. Adding to this, Prakash Mayekar, who failed to even pass the level 1 coaches course last year, has been working as a Ranji assistant coach and is preferred over the level 1 certified coaches. We spoke to Vinod Dhamaskar, Goa's very own level 3 coach. Here is what he had to say.
म्हाका दिसता आमच्याकडे भरपूर कोचीस आसात. आतां हांव एकलोच लेवल 3 कोच आसा, ताच्या भायर लेवल 2 कोचीस आसात, लेवल 1 कोचीस तयार जाल्ले आसात. अशे भरपूर कोचीस आमच्याकडे सध्या आसात. पण बाकीचे जे कोण आसात ते तांकां म्हाका तांचे नांव सुद्दां सादारण हांवें केन्ना आयकुना तांची नांवां. आमी केन्ना अशें म्हणटा गरकी मुर्गी दाल बराबर असली गोष्ट जाल्ली आसा.
So many Goan coaches here, and they are paying them a pittance if you compare them with the people whom they have brought from outside.
Saga doesn't end here. The GCA has stopped even lower by importing 3 outstation players for Goa under-19 cricket team, 2 from Delhi and 1 from Maharashtra. The coaches who have been training new talent in Goa has taken strong objection in this.
आणि हे जर आता GCA जर भायले प्लेयर अंडर-19 हाडटा ती एक सामकी वायट गोष्ट. हो तर आमच्या प्लेयरांचो खरो इंजस्टीस. अशें केन्ना जावपाकूच जायना. This shows that you are not capable of promoting new players.
Many of the senior and junior coaches have registered the discontent over the dezoing of the local talent by GCA and have speculated a major demoralization of Goa's new cricketers if this is not stopped immediately. Pratik Parab for Prudent.
If you missed our bulletin, don't worry. If you have an Android-based phone, just download our app and watch the latest news from Goa whenever you want. Just go to Play Store and type Prudent. With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.